Welcome back to another video from TDL and DIY. This is today's Friday and it concludes the end of our giveaway. It lasted for 1 week. What you had to do was subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below in the video of removing the front bumper. So you had to do both those things to enter. So the giveaway was this 24-inch breaker bar, half-inch drive, and here I got the names in the random name generator to figure out who is the winner of this contest. So we got the names right here. Tom Potter, you are the winner. As you can see there, guys, I did it live in front of you. There was no editing of this part at all. It was totally random. So I'm glad I'm going to get in contact with Tom Potter, get his mailing address, and I'm going to ship this off to him. Thanks for watching. There'll be more giveaways in the future, and keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell for any notifications, and thanks for watching. Hey guys, welcome back for another video from TDL DIY. So my last video I showed you how to take off the front bumper, which is over there. Today we're going to be talking about taking the headlight off. So first step, have to take off the front bumper. So watch my other video, previous video, to learn how to do that. But for this video, it's real easy. All we're going to do is take it. These are some of the. First, we're going to start off with talking about some of the tools you're going to need. Flathead screwdriver. You can use a Phillips screwdriver or a drill, but if you use a drill, just be very careful. There's a plastic screw. You don't want to strip that out or anything. And then 10 mil socket. You can use a hand, or I'm using impact to make it a little bit quicker. So without further ado, we'll get started. I'll show you the bolts that are going to have to come off. You got one 10 mil socket there. You have another 10 mil socket right there. This is that plastic Phillips screw. So you got to be careful when you pop that out, and then you're going to use the flathead screwdriver to pry that up a bit. So far we got two 10 mil bolts, and here's the third one. And that's all there is. So I'll just kind of zoom out a bit. So it's right here. It's that first one. I'm going to go ahead, do those up, or take those off, and show you. And it's literally like 2-second job after you get the bumper off. And guys, the bumper, it only takes like 10 minutes. So there, I'll show you. So if you ever get in an accident or got to change out your headlight assembly for whatever reason, it's like a 30-minute job. You know, take off the front bumper. That was about 10 minutes for me to do in my other video. And then the headlight, which literally is going to take 2 seconds. That's all there is. So again, you know, if you have something that happens to that headlight, take it off. Do it yourself. It's really easy, guys. Okay, so this is the one you got to be very careful. So just go slow. Take that off. Perfect. So let's get that out of the way. Got this little grommet type thing. Pop that out. Move that off to the side. Perfect. All you have to do after that is, see, as you can see, the headlight assembly is now free. I'm able to wiggle it around, move it. We're just going to put this camera down for a quick second here and take this off, and that'll be it. Boom. Guys, that's the headlight. The headlight is off. As you can see, that's all there is. It's very, very easy. Headlight's off. You can do the same to the other side. It's that easy, guys. So why are you going to pay a mechanic? You know, what is it? Most places anywhere from $80 to $150 Canadian to do this kind of stuff for you. Like, to me, it doesn't make sense. I know not everybody's mechanically inclined, but these are what my how-to videos are for. To show you how easy it can be to do some of these simple things, and that you don't need to pay big money for people to do it for you. So yeah, you know, these are some things you guys can do. Okay, now we're gonna put back the light. Just gonna grab our light here. Kind of set it in place. We'll slide it in. There we go. Once that's in, we start putting it back together. So that's the Phillips head. That's in. Pre-thread it with our hands a little bit because I'm using impact. Same with over here. Get that in good. There we go. And now we're just gonna screw it all in. So that's in. Come around to this side. Good. There you go. The light's in. Super easy. Y'all can do it yourself. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, and feel free to leave a comment below how you like this video, or anything that you'd like to see improved upon, or you know, future videos you'd like to see. So feel free to leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, and keep watching for my future videos. If you want to see any other types of videos, feel free to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this video in that comment section, and I'll have some links to some other stuff in my description. So thanks a lot for watching.